Hi, I'm Jacob Ball, co-founder and president of Cozy Bread. What is the Cozy Bread Insulation Box? Is a companion product for the Cozy Bread Proofing Mat. This is specifically designed to be used in series with the Cozy Bread Proofing Mat. Without the Cozy Bread Proofing Mat, this installation box is not functional. This box is specifically designed with a special thermal insulating material. This is critical in maintaining a consistent temperature inside. This provides better taste, better texture for your bread and provides consistent results every single time. This is going to arrive in a box like this and in a bag like this. This bag is used for storage, fits easily in your kitchen drawer. To use this, you're gonna open this up, place your proofing mat here on the base, close it up, take one of your double zippers, go all the way around here, meet at this portion where you're gonna leave a space for your cable to escape. From the top, open up the double zipper here, and this is where you're going to place your bowl of dough right on the inside. You can place your starter jars, you can place your jars for yogurt, lots of space in here, 21 inches by 11 inches. For more information on this or any of our other great products, visit our website. And of course, everything is available on Amazon. Thank you for your time.